If your Gmail screen feels cluttered or you want a cleaner layout, this video is going to show you exactly how to hide and unhide the Gmail side panels in just a few seconds. We'll cover both the left sidebar with your inbox folders like Sent and Draft Sync, and the right side panels for Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. This is a super simple Gmail tip, but it can make a big difference if you want more space and a better workflow. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, you'll see the main interface with your inbox in the center and the side panels around it. If you want to hide the left Gmail side panel, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the main menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click that main menu icon. When you click it, the left sidebar will collapse, giving you more room to view your emails. This is especially useful if you're working on a smaller screen or just want a cleaner inbox view. If the sidebar is already hidden, clicking that same icon again will bring it back and expand the panel so you can see folders like Inbox, Starred, Sent, Drafts, and more. So if you ever feel like the left side of Gmail is taking up too much space, just remember that one button controls it. Click once to hide it, click again to show it. That's the fastest way to toggle the left Gmail panel on and off. Now, let's move to the right side of Gmail. On the far right edge of the screen, Gmail may show extra panels for Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. These are helpful tools, but sometimes they get in the way if you just want to focus on your emails. To hide or show those right side panels, look along the far right side of Gmail and find the icons for Calendar, Keep, or Tasks. Click one of those icons to open that panel. For example, if you click Calendar, the Calendar panel will slide out on the right side. If you click Keep, your notes will appear. If you click Tasks, you'll see your task list. To hide the panel again, you can usually click the same panel icon one more time, or click the Close button, which is the X in the panel. That will collapse the panel and remove it from view. The exact button may vary slightly depending on which Google tool you opened, but the idea is the same. Click the icon again or close it to hide it. This is really useful if you use Gmail for work, school, or personal email and want to switch between a full inbox view and a productivity view. You can keep those tools available when you need them, then hide them when you want more space. Let's quickly recap. To hide or show the left Gmail side panel, go to Gmail and click the main menu icon in the top left corner. To hide or show the right side panels, click Calendar, Keep, or Tasks on the far right, then click the same icon again or the X button to close it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Gmail and Google Workspace tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.